Student, in this video we are going to learn the lessons. Anuj becomes a good boy. Means there were one boy, his name is the Anuj. So let's start without any further. So Uncle Rao was an old man. Uncle Rao was an old man. He used to sleep in the afternoons. Means he has habit to sleep in the afternoon. One day while he was sleeping, the doorbell rang. One day the uncle has become slept, and suddenly the doorbell rang. Uncle Rao did not get up from his bed. The Uncle Rao was hyposthenia. Means Uncle Rao was suffering from the weakness, so he could not wake up from his bed. He knew that Anuj and his friend were ringing the bell to disturb him. Uncle Rao was thought definitely on the door the Anuj and his friends will become. Though he was not feeling well, old Uncle Rao could not rest. But the Anuj and his friends were troubling to that Uncle Rao, but Uncle Rao was not feeling well. They were suffering from the fever. Now, Anuj and his friends were feeling very happy. But Anuj and his friends like to tease or like to imitate or like to mockery with the Uncle Rao. They had spent the whole time ringing doorbells of all the old peoples in their building. But Anuj and his friends like to trouble to all the old people there were live in the buildings. It was fun ringing the bell, and they were doing a very lot of fun while the ringing the bell, and then waiting for the old people come slowly to the door. And when they ring a bell, they run from their place, and they were knowing the old people will comes to the door. Before the door could be opened, the children would run down in the staircase holding their breath. Before the door could be opened, the children would run down the staircase holding their breath. When the old man comes too near the door, the Anuj and his friends run down the staircase. Now, what has become in the next picture? Uncle Rao stayed alone on the fourth floor. This Uncle Rao was staying alone in the fourth plane, means there where the fourth floor building was. Okay, while Anuj and his parents stayed on the fifth floor of the same buildings, and Anuj and his friends was living on the fifth floor buildings. Now, in the next picture, that same evening, Anuj was alone at home. One day, Anuj's parents had gone to somewhere. That time, Anuj was alone at home. His parents had gone to a party, means they had gone to party. He decided to watch TV in his parents' room. Anuj decided today is my parents is not at home, so I should watch the TV on my parents' room. As soon as he stretched his hand to switch on the line, he stretched his hand to the switch on the lights. He heard some whispering out of the door. Some people are talking, means it is called as the whispering. Anuj got very scared. That time Anuj was also got scared. When we live alone at home, we also suffer from this problem. We also fear to someone else. Now he ran out of the house. He ran out from the house. He ran down the steps, means he gone to the fourth floor. He has called to someone else for needing help. He could only think of Uncle Rao. Then he ran out to the fourth floors. There were living Uncle Rao. He banged uncle's doors loudly. He banged means he rapped up the doors loudly. Tears were streaming down his face, and he was started to cry. He thought that Uncle Rao would not open the door. Anuj was knowing. Now Uncle Rao will not open the door because we are used to fun to Uncle Rao. What happened, Anuj? Why are you crying? Between sobs and hiccups, Anuj told him about the strange sound in his house. But suddenly the uncle Ra has come at the door and they asked to the Anuj, why are you crying? Why are you crying? And between the sobs and hiccups, Anuj told the all story to the Uncle Rao. Now Uncle Rao held Anu's hands and told him not to cry. Uncle Rao holds to the Anu's hands and they said to the Anuj, don't cry Anuj. He then called some other peoples and together they went to Anu's house. What they did? They Uncle Rao called to the another persons mean where they living on the buildings. They caught two thieves in the house and there were two thieves in the apartment of the Anuj. They caught two thieves in the house and handed him over the police. Now Uncle Rouse and his associate they caught the thieves and they gave to the police. Now Anuj felt very bad. Like this in this picture you can see Anuj felt very bad. He had spent the whole day troubling the sick old man. Now Anuj realized, what am I doing? It is absolutely wrong. It is not a good thing to trouble the sick old man. But the same man had saved him and his house from the thieves. Now here he has realized that he was teasing or he was troubling to that old man Rao. He has come for our bad situation. He said sorry to Uncle Rao and promised never to ring doorbells to disturb anyone. And in the ultimate, the Anuj has promised to that Uncle Rao it will not let it happen again. I will not disturb to anybody now. Okay, it's a good in terms of understanding this lesson. Anuj becomes a good boy. Now finally Anuj has becomes a good boy or expert boy like us.